Although Zoom has become iconic for helping millions stay connected during the pandemic, it has seen drastic fluctuations since the world began to return back to normal. Let's take a look at this company in terms of its offerings beyond just video calling, its new and developing offerings, as well as growth and retention strategies to adapt to new and old challenges alike. Zoom will attempt to build on its reputation for fostering flexible work environments, open platform, and extensive app integrations in order to remain a popular choice among businesses and individuals. They've stated they'll continue to invest in AI technology, focusing on individual productivity, better collaboration, and delivering meaningful business value to customers. At the same time, they increasingly put emphasis on their commitment to security and prioritization of responsible AI practices by not using customer data for training their or third-party AI models. Zoom explains its growth strategy is based on attracting free users, delivering meaningful business value. It primarily focuses on driving new customer acquisition, expanding internationally, growing within existing customers, and expanding their developer ecosystem, as well as customer satisfaction and continuously innovating their platform. Zoom likes to simplify their platforms organized into AI Companion for Intelligent Impact, Workplace for Seamless Collaboration and Productivity, Business Services for Enhancing Customer Relationships, Employee Experience for Engaging Teamwork, and Developer Ecosystem for Custom Integrations and Streamlined Workflows. Zoom AI Companion, launched in September 2023 as a generative AI digital assistant designed to enhance productivity across Zoom's suite of products. It seamlessly integrates with Zoom meetings, team chat, email, whiteboard, events, and more. Using a federated AI approach, it combines Zoom's own LLMs with third-party models for high-quality results at lower costs. This feature is included at no extra cost for paid customers in their Zoom user accounts. Zoom Meetings is the familiar video conferencing platform that provides HD video, voice, chat, content sharing, and other features like virtual backgrounds, recording with transcripts, and integrations with various business applications. It supports up to 1,000 video participants in a single meeting and offers end-to-end encryption for enhanced security. Additionally, the platform includes translated captions in 35 languages to allow for greater inclusivity and reduce language barriers during meetings and webinars. Zoom Phone is a cloud-based phone system for businesses that offers PBX features like secure call routing, call queuing, detailed call reports, recording, quality monitoring, voicemail, and video call capabilities. It supports both inbound and outbound calling with native connectivity to the Public Switch Telephone Network, PSTN, in over 45 countries and territories. Zoom Phone also allows customers to choose their preferred PSTN providers through the Provider Exchange program, or have hybrid connectivity with existing third-party voice circuits. Zoom Team Chat is a feature included in Zoom Workplace and Zoom Phone plans that allows teams to communicate and collaborate through group chats, channels, or one-on-one conversations. Users can share messages, images, files, and other content across various devices and easily invite external participants to join the conversation. They can also switch from chatting to phone calls or video meetings whenever needed. Additionally, Zoom Team Chat offers content storage for reviewing past conversations or shared files and integrates with numerous apps available in the Zoom app marketplace. Zoom Mail and Calendar consist of client experiences, Zoom Mail Client and Zoom Calendar Client, as well as service components, Zoom Mail Service and Zoom Calendar Service. These clients can be used with third-party email and calendaring services from Microsoft or Google, or they can utilize Zoom's own mail and calendar services. To enhance workflow automation and collaboration, there's Zoom Workflow Automation, a no-code tool for creating complex workflows across Zoom Workplace and third-party apps. Zoom Docs, a modular workspace for efficient hybrid collaboration. Zoom Whiteboard, an interactive canvas for brainstorming and collaboration with drag-and-drop features. And Zoom Clips, a convenient solution for capturing both video and screen content. These tools aim to streamline work processes and improve communication among team members. WorkVivo is an all-in-one employee experience platform that combines communication, employee recognition, and intranet tools into one solution. It aims to improve internal communication, engagement, and company culture. Whereas Zoom Rooms is a conference room system transforming any space into a collaboration area with easy-to-use features like one-click meetings, wireless multi-sharing, and interactive whiteboarding. Lastly, Workspace Reservation is a service that enables users to manage physical spaces by reserving work locations in advance or on demand, while administrators can analyze workspace utilization for better planning and optimization. The Zoom Developer Platform offers developers the tools and resources they need to create apps and integrations using Zoom's video-based communication solutions, or integrate Zoom technology into their products and services. This platform also allows for co-marketing, discovery, and distribution opportunities. The app marketplace provides a space for third-party developers and partners to build and publish applications that integrate with other in-demand platforms and services. Zoom apps are also meant to enrich the user's Zoom experience by allowing them to access various apps directly within Zoom meetings, covering use cases such as whiteboarding, project management, note-taking, gaming, and more. Zoom states their technology and infrastructure enable reliable, scalable, and high-performing collaboration tools. Their AI-first platform optimizes communication through effective use of industry-leading models from partners like OpenAI and Anthropic. For video communication, they separate content processing from transporting and mixing streams, utilizing intelligent agents on client devices for efficient encoding and decoding. Zoom caters to customers across various industries and sizes, with no single customer contributing more than 10% of their total revenue in the fiscal year ended January 31st, 2025. An advantage that's crucial for avoiding concentration risk. The sales and marketing strategies employed by Zoom to attract and retain customers involves a sales model that combines viral demand generation with optimized sales approaches based on customer opportunity size, region, and industry vertical. They have both direct and channel sales teams working together to broaden their reach. For marketing, they focus on creating brand preference through leveraging their recognition, enhancing perception, and engaging users via events, content, social media, and customer advisory councils. Their marketing efforts also involve targeted advertising online and offline, as well as a mix of in-person, virtual, and hybrid events to connect with customers. Research and development efforts have teams spread across the globe. Priority is placed on advancements in Zoom AI Companion, Zoom Workplace, Zoom Business Services, security, video and audio quality, and seamless integrations. They explain their competitive advantages include an open, AI-first work platform, cloud-native architecture, functionality and scalability, ease of use and reliability, brand awareness, ability to utilize existing infrastructure, and low total cost of ownership. They operate in a highly competitive market, facing competition from various web-based meeting services providers and bundled productivity suite providers along with consumer-facing platforms, suitable for small or medium-sized businesses. Moreover, since the company's business relies heavily on attracting new customers, retaining existing ones, and upgrading them from free to paid plans, the subscription-based model leaves the company vulnerable to potential declines in renewals due to factors like dissatisfaction with products or economic uncertainties. The COVID-19 pandemic led to a shift in their customer base and resulted in higher non-renewal rates. Revenue growth has experienced fluctuations in past periods, and there is a possibility it may decline in future periods as well. Consequently, there's heavy emphasis on continually acquiring new customers and licenses while addressing user satisfaction concerns in order to maintain growth. More broadly speaking, there's always constant risk from being a big-name provider of uninterrupted and reliable unified communications and collaboration services, since interruptions, delays, or outages from co-located data centers or cloud hosting services, as well as human errors, cyber threats, could harm the business. Additionally, the company may incur costs and face penalties due to service disruptions as they strive to maintain a reliable platform to retain existing customers and attract new ones. In general, the communication and collaboration technologies market is highly competitive with various companies offering similar products and services. This includes established companies like Microsoft, Google, Cisco, Avaya, RingCentral, Amazon, Apple, and Facebook, as well as new market entrants and emerging technologies. As Zoom continues to expand its platform, it may face increased competition from existing players and potential newcomers. The competitive landscape also poses challenges in terms of pricing strategies, marketing efforts, and access to larger user bases for competitors who have more resources and established customer relationships. Additionally, the possibility of third parties building products similar to Zoom's using open-source software could result in further price pressure. In response to these competitive pressures, Zoom has engaged in initiatives such as price cutting and offering free subscription periods. However, these strategies come with risks like increased risk of loss on uncollected accounts receivable. Zoom's focus on growing their customer base and expanding their offerings within existing enterprise clients is based on the perception there's a large opportunity for growth with current customers due to the historical trend of increased subscription sizes as companies utilize their platform more extensively. Despite recent declines in expansion rates, they aim to maintain reliability, introduce new features, and innovate using AI to capture these opportunities. Zoom quantifies their expansion success through net dollar expansion rate calculations, which compares subscription revenue from a set of enterprise customers across different periods, factoring in upsells, downsells, and attrition. In this regard, it's vital to retain online customers who subscribe directly through the company's website. The online customer base ranges from individual consumers to small and medium-sized businesses. Strategies are in place to improve product features and functionalities to retain these customers. Churn rates for online customers has tended to range from 2.9% to 3.4% per month across different fiscal years. Customers maintaining subscriptions for at least 16 months contribute significantly to the online business, with percentages ranging from 72 to 75.1%. The company calculates its online average monthly churn by comparing customer retention rates between quarters. Then, in addition to investing in enhancing their platform through new products like Zoom AI Companion, Zoom Docs, and enhancements for existing services such as Zoom Phone, Meetings, Rooms, Sessions, Webinars, Events, and Contact Center, they plan to release upcoming products including Zoom Tasks, a custom AI Companion add-on, and solutions tailored for frontline workers and clinicians. The company also aims to expand globally, leveraging strategic partners and resellers to reach international markets while addressing the challenges of supporting a growing business across different cultures, languages, and legal systems. Additionally, they offer end-to-end encryption, E2E options for free and paid users worldwide, making them the first UCaaS company with a post-quantum E2E solution for video conferencing. As Zoom continues to adapt, they keep reviewing key business metrics like the number of enterprise customers, revenue from enterprise customers, and customers contributing over $100,000 in trailing 12-month revenue to gauge performance and inform strategy. The company has transitioned around 26,800 enterprise customers, with lower MRR to online customers to better reflect its ability to grow and scale with larger organizations. Revenue from these high-value customers accounted for 31, 29.2, and 27.1% of total revenue in the fiscal years ended January 31st, 2025, 2024, and 2023, respectively. To learn more about Zoom and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.